Hi everyone! In this lesson we are going to work with fractions and decimals in equations. Many students are afraid of fractions, but there is no reason to be. If we follow the steps carefully, they become simple. So first of all, let's review what are fractions. So a fraction has two parts, the numerator and the denominator. For example, 3 over 4. Here our numerator is 3 and our denominator is 4. So numerator means top number and the denominator means bottom number. So let's move to solving equations with fractions. Let's start with this equation. To undo division by 3, we multiply by 3 both sides. Here we get that x equals to 15. So yeah, that's it. That's simple. So another fraction example. Step 1 is to undo plus 2. We subtract 2 from both sides. And here we get the value of x over 4, which equals to 4. And to undo division by 4, we multiply both sides by 4. And here we get the value of x, which equals to 16. So now, fractions on both sides. Let's do this example. So to solve it, we need to multiply both sides by 2. Here we get the value of x, which equals to 6 over 4, which also equals to 1.5. So let's move on. Clearing fractions, really important idea. Sometimes equations look like this. Fractions can be annoying, so we clear them. The denominators are 3 and 6. The least common denominator is 6, so we multiply every term by 6. Here we get this. So after this, we get this, 2x plus x, which equals to 18. So we combine like terms, and here we get the value of 3x, and here x equals to 6 after dividing both sides by 3. So working with decimals. Decimals work the same way as fractions do. So let's solve this equation. 0.5x equals to 4. So we need to divide both sides by 0.5, and here we get the value of x equals to 8. So decimal with an addition. Our first step is to undo 1.2 here, and here we get the value of 0.4x, and our second step is to divide by 0.4 both sides, and here we get the value of x, which is 10. So really important tip to avoid decimals if you want. You can multiply the whole equation to remove decimals. For example, the last equation, we can multiply everything by 10 and get this equation. Now we can solve normally. So to solve it, first of all we need to subtract 12 from both sides. Here we get the value for x, and x equals to 10 as it was here, and it's the same number. You see it. So let's move to summary. So when solving equations with fractions or decimals, we use opposite operations, we clear fractions if needed, and multiply to remove decimals if helpful. And also we work step by step. So fractions are not scary when you stay organized. So in the next lesson we'll learn about negative numbers and absolute value, which cause many sign mistakes. So thanks for watching and take your time with maths. Bye bye.